Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some homemade orange juice. Yes, with ginger, because you all know that I love ginger. So I know the ginger and the orange is gonna go so perfectly. So guys, I'm using 14 orange, okay? You can use whichever amount you preferred. Don't forget guys to give this video a thumbs up. Share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Stay tuned. So first thing I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna remove the peel from my orange. They're already washed and clean, okay? And you want to try to peel off all the white, you know, these white part that are around it. Yeah, try to go deep down as you're cutting it, okay? Yeah, like so. This is exactly how you want it guys. Try and remove some of the excess white bit, because you don't need that, because I'm gonna blend it up, okay? And once you do that, you're gonna cut it like so. Yeah, this is perfect. And you just want to carry on with the same process, okay? Yeah. So most of my orange is all peeled, so I only have one leaf back. And as I said guys, you just want to carry on with the same process, okay? Yeah. This drink is gonna be so refreshing, I'm telling you, with all that ginger. You guys, your family is gonna enjoy it. Doesn't matter guys if there's any seed in there, okay? Because remember, I'm blending it up. So that's my ginger right here. You want to make sure that you give your ginger a good wash, okay? And you don't have to remove the peel from it. So I'm just cutting it up, okay? So you just want to cut your ginger guys in small pieces, because I'm just gonna blend them up with the orange. Or maybe cut them a bit more smaller. Yeah. Yeah, so that's fine. I'm just gonna add it to my bowl. Yeah, so that's done. Guys, this is my blended jug right here, and I'm just gonna add my orange and my ginger to it, okay? But you don't want to fill it all up. Yeah, that's it. So guys, I'm gonna add at least half cup of water because you don't want to add too much, yeah? And I'm gonna blend it all up now. And I'm using my hand blender. You can use whichever blender you have. Guys, this is what it looks like after I finish blend it all up. So as you can see, it is all blend, and the ginger also. Okay, so this is perfect. So I'm just gonna blend up my remaining that leave back, so stay tuned. So now that my orange is all blended, now I'm gonna strain it, okay, because I want my juice to be nice and smooth. So I'm just gonna put one of these bag strainer over it. You can always use a normal strainer, okay? And I get this from my local supermarket, guys. They should sell something similar like it on Amazon. You have to check it out. Yeah, like so. Oops. Oops, oops. Yeah, that's perfect. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pour it all in. Look at that. Look at that color. That bright and yellow color. So I'm gonna take my time and lift it up. Oops. Oops, oops. And I'm gonna squeeze it. Just squeeze out the juice. Look at all that, guys. Natural homemade orange juice. Yeah, you guys have to try it with the ginger. I'm telling you, it is so good. So guys, it is all strained, and this is what it look like, okay? Yes. Nicely, nicely strained. Perfect. And this is what it look like, guys. I'm telling you, it looking so good. Super, super delicious and so refreshing, and there's no ice in it as yet. And guys, I'm also gonna add half of lemon. So I'm gonna strain it because I don't want no seed to get into my drink. And the lemon is just gonna give it a freshness, okay? If you don't have lemon, you can always use lime. Yeah. When you finish, you just wanna stir it so everything will all combine. So this is the fun part. Now I'm gonna add some of my ice to my mason jar. And guys, you don't have to add no sugar to your orange juice. Otherwise, it's not gonna be healthy. It's perfect without the sugar, okay? You guys already know that I love ice. So now this is the fun part. I'm gonna pour it in. Oh my goodness, look at that. This is so good. So there you have it. This is how I make my homemade orange juice. I hope you guys do give it a try. Please share it, guys, to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. It's looking so refreshing. This recipe right here is a must try. You guys are gonna enjoy it. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, much love.